Thuolo machuok bang' duogo e pacho kae kowuok e piny mar Amerika ogai mar Azimio la Umoja owuok tung' mosuo kod joyal buche abiriyo mag doho mamalo mogik ewi ng'eto mar bura manyocha ochwal e dohono ka kwedo yiero mar William Ruto.
Raila obwogo ni nyalo chuno kweth makwedo piny owacho mondo mi obagi ng'anyo ma galamoro mar kwedo tim ma ok ni kare bad migao mar doho.
Raila bende osingo ni riwruok mar Azimio la Umoja dhi kwedo motegno chenro moramora matemo golo gi apisi commissioners ang'wen mag duol mar IEBC.
Raila loso e nyasi mar migago bang' gavana ma Mombasa Abdul Samad Sharif Nasir na chamo moma.
It does not have to be Raila Odinga, but my fear is that if what the people saw happen on the 5th of September is what they expect in 2027, I'm wondering why should the people wake up in the morning to go and queue to vote? Why should women, the elderly, the disabled queue for so many hours to cast their votes, when at the end of the day, it is a mercenary from Venezuela, called Mr. Jose Camargo, who eventually decides who becomes the president of this country. And I see them protesting and trying to give threats, and people, we will talk. The constitution of this country gives power to the people of Kenya. And all those other people exercising power are exercising donated power. So the judiciary is no exception. If they become rogue, we have power as the people of this country to reform them and send them home. We can lead a 1 million march to the judiciary to say, "Kwendeni nyumbani."